Hi guys, here I am, and today I have my you know I love it. It's the only stationery subscription I do because I am afraid of becoming a true hoarder where stationery is concerned. I have a lot, and whenever I see it somewhere looking particularly lovely, I just have to buy it. My name's Fawn, this is my channel, and I do unboxings, I do hauls, I do animals. One is driving me mad right now. Anyway, if you like that sort of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and give me a comment. It always makes me laugh that Papergang is by Oh Dear. I just think that is so clever and so witty, and so far it has not got old with me. Oh, and I've shredded the box. Here we go, and today we are black inside. Has the usual instructions on the lid of how it works. And open it up. Oh, there's all sorts in here today. Oh, it looks like there might be a stamper kit. Let's find the blurb. Here we go, here's my blurb. This is by Jessica Forgy. Your limited edition contents. Okay. Bit of information's always good for me. As usual, it tells me all about Jessica as an artist and the sorts of things that she does. But I'm going to dive straight in. And it is definitely a stamper. There's a little ink pad that says Oh Dear on it, and 3 stamps. I've never done any stamping. So we have, I think that's a bottle with a flower in it or a plant in it. Yep, definitely that's what that looks like to me. Then there is a hand, and then a star. Aren't they lovely? I could personalise things with those. Next is some washi tape, and this is black and white as well. And it has, what would I say they were? Do you know, I'm struggling. Oh, they're like moons and planets again, but different. So if I just roll it, I am not sounding like I know what I'm talking about, am I? But they're like, you know, half moon, full moon, that sort of thing. Is there anything that explains that washi tape? In a better way than the way I'm doing, anyway. Then 2 cards. Now you remember the cards saved my skin the other day. Yes, it is moon and stars again. And this one says my moon and my stars. Isn't it funny that they would do 2 that are sort of to do with the moon and planets and so forth, one after the other. And then this one, all your wishes will come true. Yeah, that was sort of mystical, isn't it? You know, like tarot cards and crystal balls and things like that. Very nice. Then we have the obligatory month to view, which I have still not figured out. I really must. Then we have, oh, what is this? Oh, a really pretty notebook. It does say notes on it, and it has the hands. They're in like a, can you see? Really pretty, like a rose gold. Oh, and it's a dotted notebook, which I do like. Brilliant for writing lists rather than lines. So that's nice. Then, oh, a whole load of envelopes. Really nice. Sort of, not a cream, like an oyster. And it's got, again, it's got that star in the rose gold on it. And then, oh, now I do like writing paper to go with it. A letter set, they're calling it. And the paper inside, oh, I hope that's coming into focus for you. It's lined. Again, it's this lovely oyster colour. And it has the plants down in the bottom. Is it the same on every page? Yes, it is. No, it's not. Oh my God. So some of them have the crystal ball and So it's a variety. Oh my God. There's the hands. I don't know how many sheets of paper this is. Let me just get down, please, Bert. It doesn't say, but there's a lot. I mean, there is a lot of paper in there. Bert, please get down. I'm having enough trouble as it is. So, I'm really pleased with this set. Please, Bert, get down. So I've got writing paper with really beautiful envelopes. You can see how they work together. Wouldn't that be lovely and stylish to send notes to people? And I do like sending notes to people. A little notebook that, as I say, I think is perfect because it's dotted. I'm into bullet journaling, so I'm quite into anything that's dotted. My month to view. 2 cards. The washi tape, which is really cute. Now I've figured out what it is. You know what I mean, what the design is. And then 3 stampers, or stamps, and an ink stamp pad. I am really pleased. That is really different. It's not just a notebook and a notebook and a notebook and a notebook. They try to come up with something different every month, and I really like it. And I really rate it. I will put my link below. I don't think I get anything for you using my link, but I think possibly you get a discount. I will check, and I'll put the information in the box, because I don't want you to use my link if it's of no benefit to you, if you know what I mean. But obviously if you do get some money off with it, great. And it says that next month's, oh no, hang on. So that's my Papergang for the month of October. So slightly sort of celestial rather than spooky, which suits me really. Anyway, there we go. And I will see you again real soon. And if you don't see me, I might write to you if I ever get your addresses. Okay. Bye guys.